Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can reset your PlayStation 5. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in the PlayStation 5 and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here, you're gonna find all of your games and applications. You can also go here to your game library and here you're gonna find all of your installed games. You're gonna find your collection and also PlayStation Plus. So right now I'm gonna go back. Right here you're gonna find PlayStation Plus and also PlayStation Store. And if you want to go to your settings, it's pretty easy. All you need to do guys is go here to the top. Right here you're gonna find all of the sections. Go here to the right, you're gonna find search, settings, and your profile icon. Go ahead and click on settings. And then once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So here you're gonna find accessibility, network, users and accounts, family and parental controls, system, storage, sound, and so on. Go ahead and click on system. And then once you do that, right here you're gonna find system software, HDMI, beep and light, language, date and time, remote play, power saving, and web browser. So go ahead and click on system software. And then once you do that, just go all the way down until you find reset options. So go ahead and click on reset options. And then once you do that, right here, you're gonna find three options: clear learning dictionary, restore default settings, and here you're gonna find the option to reset your console. So just go ahead and click on reset console. And then right here, they will tell you that all users and all data will be deleted. Console sharing and offline play will be disabled for all users on this PlayStation 5. If you're sure about it, go ahead and click on reset and there you're going to be able to reset your device. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.